Hey everybody, welcome to some monster makeup tricks. These are really easy tricks because I don't do well with makeup stuff. But we've got some corn syrup, peanut butter, food coloring. You're probably going to want mostly green and red for this. I've got a paintbrush and a knife and a plate. So I'm going to try to do a bruise, like a zombie bite, and a gross looking scar. So we'll see how that goes. I think I'm going to try the bruise first. So you're going to want a little corn syrup. It's probably best if you have the light corn syrup here. Actually, I'm going to do a little bit of blue first. A little bit of blue on one side, a little bit of green on the other side. And so you're just going to mix it together, you dab it in. That, of course, is very blue. That was a lot. And I just made a giant mess. This comes out quickly. Alright. Green there. I'm left-handed, so that's why I do this on my right. But you can do any of this stuff on your face or anywhere else. Now that looks a little too green. This might not be the best bruise, but we'll see. Alright, I'm going to add a little red. You might want 2 paintbrushes. I'm just going to use my knife a little bit. Mix that together. It's a little greener than I would like. The good part about this is you can just use lots of layers. It's not the best bruise, but it's a little something. Alright. So I'm going to wipe off the knife. Get some peanut butter out. Peanut butter is really good for texture. This peanut butter is actually really old though, so we'll see how the texture goes. So this is going to be like the scar or the cut. I'm just trying to get a line. I'm not very good at doing straight lines, but that's alright. Cuts aren't really straight lines either, are they? Get that all over. So yes, this is very messy. You can kind of try to squish it up a little bit so that it does go into a bigger line. But it's also not terrible if you have a little bit of blood coming off of you, because cuts bleed, and they are messy. I'm going to put a little more. You could probably throw in a little bit of blue there, or just a little bit of deep part to your wound. Makes it look a little bit more gross. Which, of course, is the whole point. Alright. So you got my bruise and my cut. Now it's time for my zombie bite. So again, it's mostly kind of the same thing. Peanut butter. I like to do it in the middle of my hand there because I think that looks the best. And then you have a lot of the blood. For this one, I would put the blue kind of on the outside. A little more peanut butter to give it more of a texture on the outside. Okay, just move it into the inside a little bit. This does look gross. Alright, there's my zombie bite. So you could do this in other parts of your face or your body for your costume. Alright. If you guys make some of this, drop a picture and let us see.